Hi, fourth grade. I'm here today. We are going to be learning our new science chapter, which is going to be all about plants. It's Unit 4, and it's what are some plants' parts and their functions. That actually starts on page 232 of your science books. And I'm going to talk a little bit today and show you the first lesson, which is the parts of the plant. So, first we're going to start with discussing the actual flower. So the flower part here, okay, there are many different types of flowers, and the flowers all look different. With this flower, okay, and the function of the flower is to enable the plant to reproduce, okay? So that's the function of the flower. It enables the plant to reproduce. Next is the leaf. As you can see, here's the leaf here, okay? And the leaf takes in sunlight so the plant can make food. Plants, it's called photosynthesis, okay? So the plants aren't able to get their own food like we are, okay? So the leaves, again, help take the sunlight in so the plant can make food. Next, okay, I'm gonna just take this board, you can see, is the stem, okay? Stem of the flower. Okay. And the stem actually holds the plant upright and directs the leaves towards light. So it helps it give it structure, it helps it keep it nice and straight, and it also directs it towards the sunlight. Now the next part is the root of the plant. So I didn't want to take, obviously, this out yet. So I have a root here to show you that I took out from another plant, okay? Now the roots actually hold the plant in place too. So it actually gives the plant stability and helps it stay in place. So we're just gonna go over again the parts of the plant, because that's our first lesson. So parts of the plant. Again, let me just get my order. We have the flower, okay? And the flower helps the plant to reproduce. Next, we have a leaf, or the leaves, and the leaves take in sunlight so the plant can make food. That is a process called photosynthesis, and we'll learn more about that in the chapter as well. Next is the stem. The stem holds the plant upright and directs the leaves towards the light. And the last part, again, is the root, which I didn't want to take out from this plant yet, but this is an example of an old root that I took up. So that root, it holds the plant in place. Okay, so those are the different parts of the plant that we're going to be learning about for the first lesson for your assignment today. Now, on page 234 is exactly what I just went over. It talks about the function of the plants, and then it talks about each part and how that function helps the plant itself. I'm going to be sending you that exact assignment on the Google Doc, so you can send it to me after. And in this chapter, we're going to be talking more about how to take care of our plants, okay, how the plants, what they need to help it survive. Okay, it's a perfect time for it now, the nice spring weather. And remember, check your mail, because this week you're going to be receiving something from me that goes along with this whole chapter, and I'm very excited. We're going to start that project together. So hopefully you're enjoying the day. It's beautiful, and thanks again, and bye, fourth grade.